Hello everyone. Today we will going to discuss energy in simple harmonic motion. So here we are consider a rigid wall and the surface is frictionless surface. The rigid wall, the spring constant is K. The spring is connected one side to the rigid wall, another side is fixed, so it is connected with a mass M, a block of mass. Okay, when the force is applied on block of mass, what happens? It moves right side direction, and it is displaced a maximum displacement. So for example, this is the maximum displacement plus A. Okay, it is amplitude. When it is remove the force, what happens? It moves left hand side from the mean position. Okay, it is oscillate continuously to and fro motion. Okay, it is maximum displacement at left hand side, compression after compression, so it is negative amplitude, that is maximum displacement minus A. So it is oscillate continuously to and fro motion. This is called the simple harmonic motion. In this simple harmonic motion, at the mean position, so this is consists the displacement is completely zero. When the displacement is completely zero, after the force is applied at extreme positions, so this is the extreme positions. At extreme positions, displacement is maximum. The displacement is maximum, it is consists the potential energy. At extreme positions, this position and this position. So for example, this is O position, this is A position, sorry, it is B position, it is C position. Okay, B position and C positions are extreme positions. O position is the mean position, equilibrium position. At equilibrium position, it is consists the displacement is zero. At extreme position, the displacement is maximum. The displacement is maximum at extreme position. It is consist the potential energy. So it is kinetic energy is zero because it stops and come back. So the velocity is completely zero at extreme positions. So it is consist the potential energy at extreme positions. At mean position, the displacement is zero, potential energy is zero, only it is consist kinetic energy. So both kinetic energy and potential energy of particle in simple harmonic motion varies between 0 to maximum. Okay, so here the potential energy is 0 here, and at extreme position it is maximum. At extreme position the kinetic energy is 0, at minimum, so it is at mean it is maximum, kinetic energy is maximum at mean position. So we can find out the kinetic energy and potential energy and the total energy of the simple harmonic motion of a particle of a body. So mass of the body is M, the spring constant is K. Okay, here at extreme position the displacement is capital A. This is the amplitude of simple harmonic motion of a particle. At mean position the displacement is 0. So we already derived the equation. So for the execute the simple harmonic motion, the velocity v of t equals to, so what is the equation? Minus a omega sine omega t plus pi. Okay, and again the displacement, what is the displacement equation? X of t equals to a cos omega t plus pi. So for example, this is take equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and again acceleration equation, acceleration a of t equals to minus a omega square cos omega t plus pi. Okay, this is equation number 3. Okay, this is displacement, velocity or speed and acceleration of a particle a of t equals to these 3 equations. And so here in it is 0, the kinetic energy, so the kinetic energy is 0 at extreme positions, so because it is consist of displacement, therefore the kinetic energy of such particle, we have taken the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy equation? Kinetic energy is denoted KE equals to half mv square. So here not taken v of t, so v is nothing but v of t here, that equals to half mv equals to minus a omega sin omega t plus pi whole square. Okay, that equals to half m a square omega square sin square omega t plus pi. Okay, already we are derived the equation, the spring constant k, we are considering the spring constant k equals to m omega square. So here ke equals to half m a square omega square. So this is equation number 4. In equation number 4, so k equals to m omega square. Okay, already it is derived. Equation number 5. So from equation number 4 and equation number 5 we can take, so ke equals to, so what is the equation? Ke equals to half ka square sin square omega t plus pi. This is equation number 6. So equation number 6 is a periodic function of time. So kinetic energy is depend upon the time. So when the time is increases, so what happens here? When the periodic function of time, so when the periodic function of time, so it is being 0, so the kinetic energy is 0 when the displacement is maximum. So displacement is maximum at extreme positions, so kinetic energy will be 0. At mean position the displacement is 0, kinetic energy is maximum. And again, so the kinetic energy, the period is, okay, period of kinetic energy, so here period, that is time period of kinetic energy is t by 2. Okay, it is t by 2. So t by 2 is nothing but, so it is complete one oscillation. So when a particle is from B point to A point and B point it comes B point, it is complete one oscillation. For the simple harmonic motion, so for one oscillation is the time required is called the time period. So here mean position it is maximum, okay, it is minimum, the kinetic energy is 0 at extreme positions. So extreme position to mean position, so it is maximum, again it is comes to, okay, it is comes to extreme positions. So here it is consist the half time period. So half time period is nothing but at t by 2 it is repeat again. So the time period for the kinetic energy is T by 2. So next we can consider the potential energy. So potential energy of a particle of a body is executing simple harmonic motion. We have seen that the concept of potential energy is possible only for the conservation of forces. So the spring force, the spring force F equals to minus K into X. So this is equation number 7. So equation number 7 is denotes that this is the conservative force. So for the conservative force, the potential energy PE equals to we can write of kx square. Okay, potential energy of a particle of a body is P equals to of kx square. This is equation number 8. So the displacement x of t equals to a cos omega t plus pi. It is substitute in equation number 8. So PE equals to of k x equals to a cos omega t plus pi whole square. So potential energy PE equals to of k a square cos square omega t plus pi. Okay, so this is equation number 9. In equation number 9, PE equals to of Ka square cos square omega t plus pi. So the potential energy is also is function of time. So it is the potential energy is also is executing simple harmonic motion. So the simple harmonic motion, it is also is periodic function of time. Periodic function of time. Periodic is nothing but it is increasing and decreasing, so with time. So periodic function of time. So the potential energy is maximum when the displacement is maximum. When the displacement is maximum, the potential energy is maximum. The displacement is minimum at mean position. So it is 0 at mean position. The potential energy will be 0 at mean position. So we can take the total energy. So here the potential energy is also is consist, it is change. So at mean position it is 0. At extreme positions it is consist maximum. So then the time period for potential energy is, it is also T by 2. It is change of time period. It is maximum to minimum and minimum to maximum. It is change in half time period. So next, the total mechanical energy. The total mechanical energy. So the total mechanical energy equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is of Ka square sin square omega t plus pi plus, what is potential energy? This is of Ka square cos square omega t plus pi. Okay, so what is the common here? Common term of Ka square is common. So the total energy of a particle equals to of Ka square is common. Sin square omega t plus pi plus cos square omega t plus pi. So what is this term? Is equals to 1. So the total energy equals to half Ka square. So this is equation number 10. Equation number 10 is denotes the total mechanical energy of a simple harmonic body or simple harmonic motion of a particle of a body equals to half Ka square. So this total energy is not depend upon the time, so it is independent of time. So the total mechanical energy of a simple harmonic motion, harmonic oscillator, is thus independent of time as expected for motion under the any conservative force. Okay, the time, and so we have taken the graph, plotting the graph. So with respect to time of potential energy and kinetic energy, with respect to displacement, so kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, listen. Today we are discussing about the example number 8.7. A block whose mass is 1 kilogram is fastened to a spring. So fastened is nothing but to close, so it is tagged, it is fixed to a spring. So for example, we have taken, so this is the frictionless surface. So on the frictionless surface we have taken, so this is a rigid wall. At the rigid wall, so one end a spring is fixed and other end we have taken a block of mass on frictionless surface, so that is 1 kilogram. So mass is taken 1 kilogram. So this is fastened, so it is fixed to the spring. Okay, the spring constant we have taken K. So here the spring has a constant of 50 Newton per meter. So the mass is first of all 1 kilogram. Okay, it is given. And second one, the spring constant K equals to, that is 50 Newton per meter. So the block is pulled a distance x equals 10 centimeters. So pull nothing but the force is applied. So the force is applied to the right side direction. So it is displaced from mean position. So here x equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is a black. Okay, that black is 10 centimeter displaced. The force is applied, so it is displaced 10 centimeters. So it x equals 10 centimeters is nothing but we have taken the amplitude. It is maximum displacement 10 centimeters, that equals to 0.1 meters. Okay, from its equilibrium position, the displacement is, the distance is 10 centimeter. At x equals to 0 on a frictionless surface, from rest at t equals 0. So only it is, we have taken here at x equals to 0. So t equals to, at t equals 0, x equals 0, that is equilibrium position. Calculate the kinetic energy, potential energy of the black when it is 5 centimeter away from the mean. So it is maximum displacement. So it is oscillate continuously. When the force is removed, what happen? The restoring force is work on this black. So it is oscillate. It is enlarged and compressed, enlarged, compressed continuously. So then it moves to and fro motion, back and forth motion. So that is simple harmonic motion. In this simple harmonic motion, we have take the first of all, we can find out the angular frequency. Angular frequency omega equals to, so we have taken, so in the spring constant k, so omega equals to k by square root of k by m, that equals to square root of k is 50 Newton per meter, m equals to 1. So that value is 7.07. What are the units? Radian per second. Okay, here we can find the value. So next, so what is the equation displacement? So the displacement equation is x of t equals to, so what is the equation? A cos omega t plus pi. So this is the actual simple harmonic motion equation. So here A equals to maximum amplitude, maximum displacement, that is 0.1, cos omega equals to what? 7.07 t plus pi equals to, so this pi equals to 0. So there is no phase constant, so it is 0. So then we have taken x of t equals to 0.1 cos 7.07 t. Okay, this is the equation for the displacement. This is equation number 1. So we can find out kinetic energy and potential energy. So what is the kinetic energy equation? Kinetic energy Ke equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So m is there, so we can calculate. So what is the velocity? Velocity v of t equals to, okay, minus a omega sin omega t. So there is pi equals to 0. So this is equation number 2. First of all, we can find out sin omega t. We know that the amplitude omega equals to angular frequency equals 7.07. So but we don't know sin omega t value. Okay, here t equals to unknown. So first of all, here at displacement x equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. So substitute in equation number 1 x of t equals to, or x equals to 5, that is 5 equals to 0.05 meters. So here 0.05 equals to 0.1 cos 7.07 t. From this cos 7.07 t equals to 0.05 divided by 0.1, that equals to 0.5 1 by 2. So this is equation number 3. From the trigonometric values, so sin omega t equals, or sin omega t is nothing but sin 7.07 t equals to, so it is written as, for example, So this is triangle, okay, right angle triangle. So that is A, B, C we are consider, or O, B, C. So OBC in OBC, here the angle is omega t, that is 7.07. So here 7.07 t angle. So this angle is indicates, okay. Already cos 7.07 t equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but it is 1, it is 2. So what about this OB equals to OC square minus BC square, or so it is taken OB square plus BC square equals to OC square. So what is OC square? OC square minus BC square. OC square equals to 4, okay. 2 square equals to 4 minus 1 under root. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3, square root of 3. So it is root 3. So then sin 7.07 t equals to what is we have taken? So opposite side by, so this OC, that is root 3 by 2. So it equals to 0.866. So this is equation number 4. Okay, we can substitute the magnitude of speed or velocity. So magnitude is nothing but the not we have taken the negative direction. So negative, that is minus a omega. So only a 0.1 into omega equals to 7.07 into sin omega t equals to 0.866. This value is, we can find out, we can calculate this value 0.61 meter per second. Okay, so this is the velocity of the body. So next we can find out the first one, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So what is the position at x equals to 0.05 centimeter? So the kinetic energy Ke equals to, we have taken the kinetic energy equals to half mv square, that equals to half m equals to 1. So what is v? V equals to 0.61 into 0.61, okay, 0.61 whole square, 0.61 whole square. So this value is 0.19 joules. Okay, this is the kinetic energy. So next we can find out second one, potential energy. So for the spring constant K, so what is the potential energy equation? Of kx square, that equals to of K equals to 50. So what is x? X equals to 0.05 whole square. So this value is 0.0625 joules. Okay, this is potential energy. So what is the total energy? Total energy equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So what is the kinetic energy value is? Kinetic energy is 0.19, potential energy 0.0625. So E equals to, so what, 0.25 joules. So this is the total energy. Actually, the total energy of the spring, okay, what is the body? The total energy of the body is consists of spring, is depend upon the time period, a period of time? No. So because, so we know that I am right here. So total energy equals what? Of Ka square. Okay. So here E equals to of K equals to 50. A equals to what? A equals 0.1. 0.1 whole square. Okay. 0.1 whole square. So this equals to 0.25 joules. Okay, so it is E equals to, so we have taken at mean position, so at mean position, so it is consist only, so it is consist only the kinetic energy. At extreme positions, so it consists only the potential energy, not kinetic energy. So at extreme positions, so we have taken, this is the extreme position. So at the extreme position, so we consist only potential energy. The potential energy equals to total energy of the body. At maximum displacement, 0.1 whole square. So at maximum displacement, so it is only consist the potential energy. So the potential energy is equals to total energy of the body. So total energy E equals 0.25 is equals to potential energy of the body. Okay, maximum displacement. So this is example number 8.7. I hope you are understood this topic. Thank you.